Alright, today I have a Ford Bronco, and I'm going to show you how to turn on the hazard lights and how to turn off the hazard lights on this particular Ford Bronco. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Alright, so I'm sitting inside of my Ford Bronco, and I need to turn on my hazard lights. So what I'm doing is I'm sitting in my vehicle. I have my vehicle parked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach towards the center of the vehicle, like right up on here on the dashboard. And you come up here and you'll see this triangle shaped thing right here. This triangle is the button for the hazard lights. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here. I'm going to press this button right here. And when I press down, I'm going to come up here and you'll see that the hazard lights or the warning lights, the flashers, the warning flashers, whatever you want to call them right here, are going off. And it's indicative of the left turn signal going right there and the right one over there going off. And so when I want to turn it off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back towards the center and I'll find where this button is right here, press that, and the hazard lights, the warning lights, flashers turn off. And that is how you turn on and off the hazard lights or the warning lights on a Ford Bronco. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.